Money. Hi guys, this is me, Reena, at your screen, and welcome back to my channel. And honestly, I am so excited for this one. Like, I know I say this in almost all my videos, but literally, I am ultra excited for this one because this, my friend, is the ultimate lazy girl's gadget. Like, if you work, my friend, you're gonna be my ride or die, holy grail best friend. I'm telling you, we're gonna be forever. Let me introduce you to the star of the video today. So basically, this product right here literally commits to clean all of our makeup brushes in 3 seconds. Girl, 3 seconds? Like, whew, that's a hefty one, and I am super excited to test this out, and I honestly cannot wait for it. But before we get started with that, I have a quick announcement to make. So basically, this is one last time I promise I'm gonna make a statement about my exams. So while my exams were on in the last month, I couldn't really upload a lot of videos, and I did promise on my Snapchat that I will do a week full of videos. So here it is. I will be on your mobile device, desktop, wherever you see this pretty face. Just kidding. But yeah, basically I'll be doing videos for next 5 days of the week. I am so excited and super energized for this one. So if you don't want to miss out on such fun content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. So before we get started with the testing of this product, let me give you a quick overview of what exactly we are getting ourselves into today. Basically, this product right here is supposed dupe of the Sephora brush cleaning sponge. They came out I think in 2016 if I'm not wrong. So basically the sponge looks something exactly like this. I'll put the Sephora picture right here, and as you can clearly see, I haven't used this one. I don't know what to expect. Now I have seen a couple of videos on the Sephora one, and that stuff is good, but it is expensive. Like, the mini one is for $14 and the bigger one is for a whole $18.
And I make it easy for you by converting $18 in Indian currency. Hey Siri, can you convert $18 in Indian currency?
1,170 rupees and 83 paise.
Now, I found this little guy on Club Factory. I know you didn't see that coming. However, if you've seen my Club Factory haul, you totally know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, I don't know what's up with you. The link is right here. You can watch it. I have some really cool stuff there. This is called as the Color Cleanser Makeup Brush Cleanser Series 3-second color off quick wash. That is it. Who are you? Like, my intro is more longer than your description, my friend. Like, how are you so easy peasy lemon squeezy and yet so classy? Quickly read the instruction. Glide eyeshadow brushes against the black sponge to remove color. Sponge can be cleaned with fragile free soap and warm water. Lay flat to dry. Discontinued use of product if irritation causes on eyes or skin. Made in China. So this is what the black sponge they're talking about. Now let me get this out of the container for you. It's a very weird feeling consistency if you ask me. This is how it looks like. Honestly, this kind of feels exactly like the donut maker I found from their website. You know what? Let's try with both of these. Yeah. Now, sadly, I don't know how do I land up doing such sin, but I washed my brushes yesterday. Yeah, that happened. So I have all clean brushes, but to be really fair, as you can see, I've not done any eye makeup, so I'm going to quickly do one, and I'm going to clean the brushes on the go. Taking this Real Techniques brush, but yeah, I'm just going to randomly pick up some browns right now. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm not going to really focus on the eyeshadow I use and stuff. Alright, so I am done with the eye makeup. I literally use like 4 shadows, which I think is still not enough to make this look dirty. So what I am going to do is I'm going to literally dip this brush in all of these pans just to make sure we have some really dirty brush to clean. And while I talk to you, that's exactly what I am doing. And lastly, I'm gonna dip it really nicely into this black. As you can see against the white wall, the brush is super dirty. That's how dirty it is. Okay, so are you ready? Ready? I literally feel right now I'm doing the whole Dora and the Explorer. Dora? Doremi? No? Who's she? Like this chick? Like that cartoon, I hated it because she was so freaking annoying. Let's not make it about her. Let's make it about this. So yeah, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Now I do have to say the camera may not pick up any difference, but now that I'm like really close to this stuff, I do see that it has picked up most of the black eyeshadow. And again, there's nothing coming off on my hand. Like, we were at this and now it's at this. I think it's gonna take a couple of more swirls and we're gonna be all fair. We're gonna give it to it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. It's definitely taking me a little more than 3 seconds, but if this is working, I'm all up for it. And okay, and now I'm gonna swatch this. Do you see? There's literally nothing. The side, no. Oh, okay, so it's just stained with the color black, but there's nothing coming off of it. Like, this is, you know what, we're gonna try it with some colors because the sponge is black, which I'm not complaining. I really like that it is black, but the problem now is that we're not able to see if it's really collecting the product. So I'm gonna go back to my trusty palette, the little baby without any name. I've done a makeup tutorial using this baby, so if you want to check it out, the link is here. We got some bright colors in there, and I'm gonna take a brush that is white, like really white enough. And now you're gonna go in some really dark colors. So I'm thinking of the blue, like this blue is like on my face. Do you see? That's great. Do I even have to swatch this right now on my hand? Because I mean, it's on your face, okay, right now, like this blue. Oh my god, I'm so done with blue. Like the whole Kim Kardashian launch blue. Gosh, I cannot take any more blues. But yeah, moving on. 1, 2, 3. Do you see a hint of blue? Because I totally can see the hint of blue. And the brush, that's how it looks like. And that was 3 seconds, okay? 3 seconds is what it takes. So I'm gonna try a little more. So maybe like 1, 2, 3. More 3 seconds gets us to something like this. Okay, let's see if I can get this stuff to like looking really white like it was before. Oh no, I think it's kind of picking up on the black that we had on there. Let's try to flip this stuff, and now I'm gonna try the same thing on the cleaner side, and let's see if we can get this looking white. Like, that'd be crazy. And is that happening? Oh my god, it totally does. I mean, who are you? This literally looks brand new. Yeah, this smells like chemical, but oh my god. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with my brush. Like, you know, I was worried probably like, you know, me going all vigorous is gonna like ruin the brush hair or something, but nope, it's all in shape. Okay, so I have this concealer brush. Let's see if I can clean this, because like all of the products that I tried right now, like pretty immediate, right? But this is something like around 45 to 1 hour ago, and it's a cream product, so it does kind of dry up, probably settles down on the hair bristles. So let's see if this can remove that.
1, 2, 3.
It totally cleaned this brush. Oh my god. I'm gonna take this contour brush and I'm going to slather it in this color.
I'm gonna have a moment with the blushes, and yep, they're pigmented.
This is how it looks like. It's all pink and it's a bigger brush. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Dude, the pink is gone. Like, the pink is here. Like, honestly, I'm so mad at myself for cleaning these brushes yesterday. Like, shit, now I have this, and I've literally had this for like 4 or 5 months, and I don't know why I didn't use it, because I wanted to share it with you guys. And damn it, this is good. Okay, I'm gonna take some highlighter. I hate wasting highlighter. Okay, we see some shimmer, we see some blink. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. This is Mr. India. Oh my, this stuff is good. Oh my. I really don't know why, but I thought this was going to be cheap. I'm not going to like it because it's going to ruin my brushes maybe. But this is like, wow. Like, that's how I feel about you. And it comes in a nice container. It minds its own business. It's not like the beauty blender where it comes in a fancy packaging, but then it's your maintenance and your lookout. Like, you, my owner, take care of me. Like, this is independent. Wow. I'm gonna try the same thing with this donut thing. I mean, if this works, I'm treating myself with something I don't know right now, because I am literally on the 7th cloud. If this works, I will be on the 9th, but then I will think of how I wasted my money on this, and then I'll be back on the ground. Shit, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, we're gonna take a little dirty one, a little bit dirty, and I think I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, it's like on your face. Why are you so pigmented? Like, who are you? Right now I feel if these could talk, they'd be like, who are you to judge us, girl? Like, we are so useful than you. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, I get so excited to do this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No. Let's try another one more 3.
1, 2, 3.
No. I mean, there's quite a bit of color on here, but it's no way to be clean. It's not definitely clean, because I can literally see the pigment. Like, do you see? It's like right on my hand. And now is the final test. Let's see how easy it is to wash this. So come along, we're gonna wash this. Ready for what I'm about to tell you. Alright, so there was literally a gap of 15 minutes that I took from the whole washing process to coming back and filming. I got a phone call. This stuff is already dry. Like, that was honestly going to be my next concern. The only concern with this, how long this is going to take to dry, because I literally just kept it like this and I walked away and it's dried. I'm like just staring at it like a black hole. Like, how did you do that? But you just did what you did. And the only reason I know it's completely dry, because so is the container, so is the lid, like almost there's like one water drop. But yeah, alright, so let's move on to my final thoughts about this product. I am freaking in love with this. Like, do you see the smile on my face? I am just so glad that not invented, wow, I wish that was true, but like I discovered this product and it is mind-blowing. Like, there is like this whole world complaining about Club Factory, and then there is me who's found this. Honestly feels like a victory to me right now. This is insane. I do have to say the 3 seconds commitment is a lie, but it does do what it say. It definitely cleans your brushes. Now here's the thing, this is not a permanent solution. This does not mean you have to quit cleaning your brushes. This is more so like a spot cleaning. Now what is spot cleaning? Exactly what we did right now. You just take the brush and just wiggle it and voila, it's done. Honestly, I think this is like a lifetime investment, because I really don't see the sponge getting ruined by any chance apart, because you can't. Like, I am trying really hard right now. You can't tear this. It dries on its own. Like, it's independent AF. It is bomb.com and I'm really happy with this. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you want me to try something more crazy. Like, I am so pumped and energized with this craziness. Like, I'm living this moment right now. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do, right? Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The link is in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.